English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Adam was not a bad student. He was not lazy. He was not stupid. He had a dream. He wanted to speak English fluently. He imagined himself speaking confidently, traveling, working, expressing his ideas without fear. But Adam had an enemy, and this enemy did not attack loudly. It whispered. Every night, Adam told himself, "Tomorrow I will start seriously. Tomorrow I will study 1 full hour. Tomorrow I will change." But tomorrow never came. When he opened his notebook, he suddenly felt tired. When he wanted to watch an English lesson, he checked his phone first. 5 minutes became 30. 30 minutes became 2 hours, and the day ended. Again. One day, Adam saw his friend speaking English confidently. His friend was not smarter, not richer, not more talented, just consistent. Adam felt something heavy in his chest. It was not jealousy, it was regret. He realized something painful. While he was waiting to feel ready, others were practicing. While he was planning, others were improving. That night, Adam sat alone. No phone, no excuses, just silence. And for the first time he understood. English was not his problem. Grammar was not his problem. Pronunciation was not his problem. His problem was procrastination, the invisible enemy that stole his days. The next morning, something changed. Adam did not say, "I will study 1 hour." He said, "I will study 15 minutes. That's it. 15 minutes. No motivation, no perfect plan, just action. He learned 5 new words. He spoke 1 sentence aloud. He listened to a short podcast. It was small, but it was real. Days passed. 15 minutes became a habit. Habit became confidence. Confidence became progress. Adam still made mistakes, but he was no longer afraid of them. Because now he understood mistakes don't destroy dreams, delay does. 1 year later, Adam was not perfect, but he was fluent enough to speak, brave enough to try, strong enough to continue. His enemy was still there, whispering, "Skip today." But now Adam whispers back, "I will do it today." And that was his psychological tool to defeat his enemy. Maybe you are Adam. Maybe you are still waiting. But listen carefully. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need perfect English. You don't need perfect confidence. You need 1 small action. Today. Because your worst enemy is not English, it is procrastination. And like Adam, you can defeat it. Thanks for watching.